Okay, Bryce, I'm going to tell you a story. I hope I've got me in the picture right now. Upstairs, right above us, you know, every morning and sometimes at night we hear water running and other things like that. Well, their shower was directly up above us. And apparently there is a soap dish that is built into the shower wall, and it fell off when someone was here a while ago before this missionary companion set got here. And no one knew that it needed to be fixed, and so water's dripping in there. Well, a couple of days ago, mold and fungus started coming out of our wall, and the guys are here to fix it, and I got to show you this, okay? You ready?
I'm keeping that door closed just so that the rest of the house don't get cold.
This is George. Say hi, George.
Hi, George.
I'm showing my son what you've done to his room.
Oh, okay.
See, look, he's having to tear out all this. This is actually this is drywall, right?
Drywall, yeah.
And the drywall was behind the paneling. Remember the cheap, ugly paneling? And so he's having to tear all that out because the mold and fungus and water came in all around these sides here. And he's getting to take it all out. So I just had to show you. The moldy wall saga continues. Now, the man that's doing the work said, okay, Miles, I've turned on some fans and they're just going to run all day and all night and all day and stuff until everything dries, because we've got to dry out the carpet and stuff, and wait until you see the carpet that's underneath the carpet. And he says, but if it bothers you at night, you know, you can turn them off if you want. Tell me, what do you think? Would this bother me at night? All that noise. So if I unplug it, back to silence. But check out this carpet. Wait till you see this. Look at that. Visions of the 70s. That's the carpet underneath the carpet. That's what's now being used as the padding. So what he's had to do is he's had to peel up the carpet up to the bedroom door, and then he's put some sticks or something like that underneath the carpet to let the air get underneath. He had to take out more of the ceiling. See that? What we had seen was up to here, and then he had to go all the way over there to remove it, to get everything dried up there, because the drywall had that moldy stuff in it too. And so he had to get all that removed. All the way there. And then he's got this carpet here, and you can see, if you look closely at the little strips that have the spikes in them in the corner, those little strips there, see how they're bright red? Well, they shouldn't be that color. They shouldn't be that dark. They should, there, see how that's more of an orange yellow? That's more of the natural color, but then when it gets saturated with water, beep, it gets dark like that. And so he was right in pulling this carpet up. Of course, that's my understanding. So here's his concern, is that he's hoping that down here is going to dry out well enough that he won't have to replace this supporting base, which would be a lot more work. Oh. So that is the saga of the moldy wall. The moldy wall part 3. Got up this morning, one out here. The hole upstairs has been fixed, and what do I find? Can you see down here and see the glistening on the floor? Yeah, see the darker spots there? See the darker part where it's lighter here and it's darker there? Well, then if you look over here, the wood's darker there. And the wood's darker here. See the water coming down? Water coming down? It's not from the soap dish, it's from something else. So I had to place a call to the powers that be and tell them and let them know, because maybe it'll be covered by insurance now, because if it's a broken pipe, I think that's covered by insurance. I don't know. I don't know those things, but anyway, so it's going to take longer to fix than we thought. So the door will be open all day, the fans will be running, drying things out, the cats will be scared. Meow, meow. They're walking around going meow, meow. I don't understand. Let's see. Okay, they're going to do the water test. They fixed the caulking upstairs. Apparently the whole bathtub, the caulking had gone bad or something. Even though just before the tenants that are in there now moved in, they redid the bathtub. So it doesn't make sense. So the guy's going to go up and I'll show you what he's going to do. We have someone standing here and he's looking up at the bathtub that comes draining right there to see if water's going to drip from the bathtub itself. No bathtub drippy.
Hey George, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Just you might as well leave it in there for a little bit, huh?
What?
I hear something.
That's heat causing the metal to expand.
Old. No, nobody even uses any of this stuff anymore.
Cast iron and
No, it's all plastic.
Corrugated
See, I have
metal.
so many different fittings.
right. Oh
So
yeah,
easy to make that stuff leak now, you know.
yeah,
It just corrodes.
right.
Or the new ABS lasts forever.
Yep. Cut and glue. Whereas
Yeah.
all that you had to have a pipe fitter.
Someone just kind of bootlegged this thing in, huh?
I think so.
It looks good.
Okay, I'm just gonna keep doing it.
Put a plug in the tub, George, and leave that much water in it for an hour, you know?
Good idea.
Hey, George,
What?
is there a plug for the tub?
What?
Nothing.
Can you plug the tub?
Yeah.
Shut off valves inside the wall.
Yeah, they had a plate up here that was removable, you know, with a couple of screws,
Oh, yeah.
so
Oh,
you
so
could
you
get
can
to
get
it.
in there and get access.
But there was no sign on the outside saying shut off inside. So and there's a second shut off here, without a faucet on it. Looks like it's been
Oh, yeah. See,
massacred.
this is what's I mean, I'm not going to say nothing to George, but he knows this stuff is destined to leak.
Yeah, it is. But he wasn't hired to replace the plumbing.
Right, no, I know what you mean, right. So you guys had some drywall, or some water damage on the drywall?
Yeah,
Mold and stuff?
yeah, because something overflowed. I thought it was the toilet, but now I'm seeing that it was the bathtub that
Yeah.
overflowed. He must have had it filled up with a drippy faucet and just kept going.
But still, if you seal the floor, that won't happen. On the, you know, up there.
Right,
With
you'll
the-
just have standing water upstairs.
Right.
Right.
And you just get a little shop vac.
Makes sense. Well, no drippy. I'm turning off the
looks
film.
good.
The leak has stopped. The testing that we experienced in the last series, or video, showed that. Now he has wrapped plastic around the area, and look what he's doing. Spraying it with fungicide. Gotta kill the last of the fungus. Cool stuff. Stinks. Yeah, hopefully. When I was a kid, they never did this kind of stuff. They just ripped it out or covered it up and didn't think twice.
Yeah, I know.
Interesting.
Extra careful.